Using your right needle tip, you're going to go through the next 3 stitches on the left needle tip, all together at once, going through the center of those stitches, and you will simply knit them together as though they were 1 stitch. This creates 1 stitch where there used to be 3 stitches, and as you can see from our little leaning lines here, it is a right leaning decrease. If this is difficult, you may find that it's your needle and not you. This is a fairly long and pointy needle tip. If it is too blunt, like if this was missing a little bit of this front bit, it would be less easy for me to go through and make sure I was going through all 3 right through the center of the stitches. I might be snagging or splitting the stitches or something like that. So don't always blame yourself. Check to see if your needle tip is the kind of needle tip that works best for this. The more stitches you're trying to do at once, generally speaking, the nicer it is to have an inflexible and sort of longer tip.